The ratio of a large bottle of spring water to a medium bottle of spring water is 5 to 3. If the large bottle holds 750 millilitres, how many millilitres does the medium bottle hold? So this is a typical level 2 type ratio question. When you're tackling a question like this, put the information you know in a table. So I've put a table here. We've got the large bottle and the medium bottle, and we know the ratio is 5 to 3. Okay. We also know the large bottle holds 750, so put 750 in the large bottle. So now we need to think, how many times bigger is 750 than 5? So the thing to do is little division. How many 5s are there in 750? So 5s into 7 go once. We've got a remainder of 2. 5s into 25 go 5. And 5s into 0 go 0. So we found out that 750 is 150 times bigger than 5. So the answer, the number that goes here, has got to be 3 times 150. So 3 times 150, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, plus the 1 we've carried is 4, gives us 450. So the size of the medium bottle is 450 millilitres. That's our answer. John and Jenny invested money in their shop in the ratio 2 to 3. Their profits for 1 week total £500. They need to share the £500 in the ratio 2 to 3. How much do they get each? So, golden rule, put the information you know in a table. We've got John and Jenny. So John gets 2 shares, Jenny gets 3 shares. So they're sharing it out in the ratio 2 to 3. If we add those up, 2 plus 3 makes a total of 5 shares altogether. Tells us in the question they need to share £500. So the total amount they're sharing is £500. So we can see very quickly that that is £100 for each share, isn't it? Because 500 divided by 5 means each share is worth £100. So John will get 2 times 100, which is £200. And Jenny will get 3 times 100, which is £300. So our answer is John gets 200 and Jenny gets £300. Always check when you get to the end of a question like that the amounts you're giving to each people add up to the total amount being shared. So 200 plus 300 does make 500, so we've got a sensible answer. Here is the nutritional information on a packet of biscuits. So the figures are the amount of each thing per biscuit. So protein, there's 1 gram, carbohydrate 9.9 grams, fat 3.2 grams, fibre 0.4 grams, and sodium 0.1 grams. What is the ratio of fibre to fat? So we're going to put these figures in our table. We've got fibre and fat. So the fibre is 0.4 grams. So we put 0.4 in the table, and fat is 3.2 grams. Okay, always make sure that the units are the same. These are both grams, so we don't need to change the units to anything else. But we've got decimals, so I think the first job is to get rid of the decimals. Let's multiply both of these numbers by 10. If they're both 10 times bigger, the ratio will be the same, won't it? So 0.4 times 10 is 4, and 3.2 times 10 is 32. So we could say our ratio is 4 to 32, but that ratio cancels down, doesn't it? Both of those numbers divide by 4. So 4s into 4 go once, 4s into 32 go 8 times. So we can say the ratio of fibre to fat is 1 to 8.